So now we're going to talk about your home espresso machine. Here's an example of one home espresso machine. The parts on it. You have your portafilter basket. This is the group head, the steam wand, the boiler spout. And so what you do with the home espresso machine, you're going to turn it on and you're going to want to wait about 45 minutes or so for all the parts in the espresso machine to heat up to the right temperature and the water in the water tank to heat up to the right temperature. You can help the parts like the portafilter to heat up to the proper temperature by just flushing a little water through it, and it's going to kind of bring it up to the same temperature as the group head. Take in your wet towel, fold it over, and flush a little water through your steam wand. Then there's two major things that you're going to have to watch out for in your espresso machine. One is that your water tank in the back never runs out of water. If the water tank runs out of water while you're brewing espresso, it can enter into the lines and into the machine. It can cause a lot of damage to your machine. And the other is water temperature. Standard water temperature for brewing espresso is 200 degrees Fahrenheit. What I have to do to test that water temperature is I have a thermometer. I'm going to brew some water through the portafilter. And as the water's coming out, I'm going to stick this thermometer in the spouts of the portafilter and wait till it levels off at a certain temperature. And whatever temperature that the thermometer levels off at is the temperature that the water coming out is going to be at. All right. So on this machine, the water is stabilizing right at 200 degrees, which is exactly where I want it, so that's great. If your home machine is different and it's not stabilizing at 200, then you're going to want to reference your home owner's manual to see how to adjust the temperature and keep it stable at 200 degrees Fahrenheit.